Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Viquote review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this offer called Viquote. So this is the Viquote review, and right now we are on the sales page where it says drive organic massive social media traffic using 200 captivating collection of high quality animated viral quote videos and elevate conversions to highest level. That's all. High converting, attention grabbing animated video quote for your social media pages, websites and more. 200 animated video quote, 3 different size options. These are the sizes. 10 different categories: leadership, motivational, inspirational, success, love, funny, friendship and happiness. Produces high quality videos with quotes instantly with no limit. Can be used in animated or static media purpose for MP4, JPEG, GIF, PNG. Okay, so it's straight to the point. You will be getting 200 video quotes. These are some samples. You can use them as only image, or they can be GIFs or MP4 in any way you like. And reasons to use quotes in a social media. So obviously this is to get traffic from your maybe Facebook or Instagram, from those kind of websites. Okay, so if you like to share some motivational quotes or some maybe love quotes, funny quotes, happiness, right? So if you have some following or you want to build some following using social media, then you may want to go and utilize these quotes. Or else if you are into social media marketing, you might be a freelancer handling some clients, or you might be some agency. And if you do this for clients that you charge them some money per month, and on their behalf you go and post some quotes and some media, some pictures, some videos on their Facebook page or Instagram page, then you can use these quotes to do that as well. Okay, now we will show you what samples will be. So you will find this demo video here. I will leave the link below my YouTube video somewhere here, so go below my video and you will find this tutorial that how to go and edit these templates and export them using PowerPoint. Okay, and then we have these modules. Module number 1, leadership. So these will be the quotes which you will be getting in different sizes. As you can see, 1920 into 1080, 1080 into 1080. I guess this will be the square and this will be horizontal. This will be vertical, I guess. Let me think. Vertical means what? Horizontal means inclined, and vertical means reclined, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so this one is going to be, I guess, like this. This is vertical, and this could be something. I don't really care. Okay, so go and check out these quotes. First one was leadership, I guess. Second is motivational, and then we have inspirational. Now I do not know the difference between motivational and inspirational, but I guess they are synonyms of each other probably. But still, you can see the graphics here. You are buying graphics, so this is what you will be getting. Module 4 is success, and module 5 is business. Okay, and then 6 is love, and then 7 is funny. Okay, 8th is life, and 9th is friendship. Okay, then 10th is happiness. Now people are far away from the happiness in this materialistic world, I guess. So Viquote bonus one is this, bonus and bonus. So I guess everything is right in front of everyone here on the sales page. And we got 2 options: agency license or white label license. You can see there are more features in this white label, which is only a difference of $2, I guess. Okay, so this will cost you 17 bucks. This will cost you 19 bucks. So go and get the 19 one. And that's it, I guess. Frequently asked questions. So what product is this? Viquote is a collection of PowerPoint video templates. I've told you. You see this video. In this video, they will show you how to open PowerPoint and then open these templates, change everything as per your customization, and then export this into some MP4 or JPG. Okay. What license do I get? You can choose. It's a wrong thing here, not choice. You can choose what license you get: agency or white label. So you have seen those 2 options at the top. What do I need to open the files? PowerPoint 365, okay, or you can use the 2010 and above. Okay, so you can use, I guess, PowerPoint 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so on. Okay, How will I receive my order? You will get the details in your email. What is the refund policy? So here it's duplicated, the same question here, you see, same thing. Then here again, refund process. So I guess what they're trying to say is there's no refund, only buy if you want this, otherwise don't buy. Okay, so there's no refund. Are there any other packages after this? So there are a couple of OTOs. If you have any questions, or if you need help, in before buying, then you can send them an email on this email address, clarify your doubts, and then you can go and make a purchase. Okay, so cool, so far so good. And probably you will find this video and the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. And the OTOs are here. Where are the OTOs? Let me see. Here are the OTOs. So this is what you will be getting in front end. Okay, and then this is what you will be getting in white label. So this is your white label license. Anything else? I don't think so. So there's not much here. Yeah, and all right, so you see here, here is the detail. 500 animated videos. In front end you only have 200, and if you buy the OTO, then you will get more 300. Okay, so if I come here, let me see, there are only 3 OTOs, 1, 2, 3. So agency, and then the basic version, and then you have this OTO, which will give you extra, I guess, 300 videos. Okay, but go and buy the front end. After that, you can decide which one, which OTO do you need and which ones you don't. There are not many OTOs anyway. Okay, now in the end, this will help you to get traffic from social media. But if you want traffic from other methods such as email marketing or YouTube, then you can check out the first link below my YouTube video where it says make money with traffic Jarvis. Once you click on this link, on the next page you will see how to do exactly what I do using traffic Jarvis. Okay, because if you are here to make money on the internet, making money involves you selling something to others. However, what I am doing right now, I am recording this YouTube video, and this YouTube video is making me money without me having to sell you something. So for example, you have seen this video, you must have seen some ads in this video too. Those ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, the same thing can be done for yourself as well. You can come on YouTube, make videos, people will be watching those videos, and you will be getting paid for every single view. And for that, your YouTube channel needs to be monetized, and to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. Okay, after that, you can simply start making videos and make money without selling anything. And if you make reviews, then you can also get some sales. Okay, plus once you go on this link, you will also learn how to do email marketing. Okay, now if you're a beginner only, you have no clue what I just said, what is traffic, what is email marketing, what is YouTube, what's going on here, you might be only looking for some motivational course. Okay, but still, if you want to start with the online marketing, affiliate marketing, then you can go and check out these 3 courses which are absolutely free. Okay, it's the right word, free. Click on this link and get those courses for free, absolutely. Then you can go and absorb the knowledge. And once you have some knowledge, then you can start maybe doing email marketing or YouTube, whatever. Okay, so we'll talk about all these links in a moment. For now, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute to this channel, then use the super thanks button here and leave your question and comments if you have any. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. Okay, so if you are watching this video, if this video is reaching to you somehow, and if you want to watch my videos in the future too, then you can go ahead, subscribe. It's always free. Okay, and it will also help my YouTube channel to do something, I guess, I don't know. Okay, it's a technical requirement which you have to fulfill. So subscribe and like, and in the end, I would say go and check out these links, right? And on this note, I would say just go and make your make a fresh start. I would say sometimes I don't have enough words in my mouth. Okay, my words are revolving in my head, and I have to choose which words should come out from my mouth. Okay, so yes, go out there, check out this Viquote. If you want these codes for getting traffic from social media, you can use these codes for your business, or maybe you can probably use it into your clients' projects as well. Okay, and if you are here to make money online only, then you can check out these links, especially Traffic Jarvis and the free courses. Check them out. And in the end, I would say just go and do whatever it takes, guys. If you want to make money online, then you have to do everything on your own. Go and write if you can, go and speak if you can, go and scream if you can, and if you cannot do any of that, then stand with a person who is screaming for you in the midnight. Thank you very much. Subscribe and like. It's free and mandatory. And now I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.